Good afternoon. This is Sherman Crancer, Senior Partner Channel Development Manager here at Microsoft, and thank you for coming back to the Microsoft Partner of Tomorrow series. So today we're going to be talking about marketing, today versus tomorrow. How do we do it in the past? How do we do it today, right? So let's understand horizontal marketing versus vertical marketing and how that correlates to profitability, margin, and really overall, I think, net revenue. Right? So horizontal marketing is basically everything to everyone. You're just like everybody else. And a quick, an easy way to understand that is to look at your local provider who's providing, pay-for-click type of, services. So if you were to type in those pay-per-click type of services and type in IT provider, Orange County, California, you'll find that for every click, it's probably $10 to $20 per click, right? It's expensive. And why is that? Because there's a lot of people that are asking for those particular words because everyone's, basically marketing on specific types of products, right? Or a type of company that they are. Right? So imagine how much would it cost if you want to put painter, right? How many thousands of painters are there out there? You don't want to do that. So that's horizontal marketing. You got to think to yourself, you got to evolve. And that's what the Partners of Tomorrow are doing. They're thinking to themselves, I'm not going to market that way because if I market a different way, vertical marketing, okay, the same scenario, it's about 2 times or about 2x. Of the marketing spend of the 10x that it would be if you're doing the horizontal. Plus it's more strategic, it's more specific, and it's going to help people who are in that industry feel more excited to actually be working with you. I would imagine that people and architects would put into the search engine IT companies for architectural firms. Hey, that's what I would do because I would feel safe. They know my industry. Next thing you got to think about here is, think about marketing today versus tomorrow. There's things that have gone away and that might be coming back. Okay, and there's things that we are doing today that you need to stay away from. Now, direct mail has been something that was huge many years ago, but people kind of got a little lazy with it, and they reduced the cost because they thought, hey, we're going to go into email marketing. That's what we're going to do. We're going to email everybody, and then we're just going to pile these inboxes with everything, right? So the thing is, you have to understand that direct mail actually is kind of coming back a little bit because it can be very personal if you do it the right way. But I would implore you to kind of change your marketing away from email, right? Because you're getting lost in the shuffle with everybody else. And instead, let's get into social marketing, search engine optimization, LinkedIn, Twitter, posting things like how-to videos. And that kind of goes into selling versus educating. Many of us try to sell products. You have to stop that. Stop selling products. You want to sell solutions to problems that are happening and sell yourself as the subject matter expert. Okay? That's what you want to do. That's the big shift here is you're no longer selling, products or services or a company, you're selling solutions. Next, you need to understand your current base versus your net new base. Who you're going after, right? Today versus tomorrow. Today, everyone's going after net new, net new, net new, net new. They are forgetting about their current customer and client base. You have to do that. And we said this earlier in, I think, series number 2, I think, it's second installment. Hire a customer success manager. And who is that? And what is that exactly, right? Well, that's the type of person who's going to be calling on all of your current clients and saying to them, hey, how's it going? What's happening these days? Hey, did you know that we specialize, in your industry and we have some things that can solve some problems? Let's go ahead and talk about cross-sell and upsell. We're not going to say cross-sell and upsell, but we're basically, that's what we're thinking in the back of our head. Next, and this is what I suggest, and this might be on my own personal opinion, but I always like to give first before I ever ask. And what I mean by that is give education first, right? Build your brand, help people out first, and I think you'll find that your return on your investment will be substantially greater than the return on whether you always have your hand out. I mean, think about those marketing times you've gone to a marketing event and everybody's telling you about who they are and they forget your name in 2 seconds. And all they want really is for you to give them a lead. Think about that. All right, hey, thanks for checking out this installment of the Partner of Tomorrow series and look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day. My name is Sherman Crancer. Bye-bye.